is Lynn. Welcome to the new video. Before you get started, please remember to like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell, and share this video. Let's go! Let's go. Alright, again. Hi everyone, my name is Lynn, and today I'm in this costume, which is Chinese costume. I know it's beautiful, and I'm going outside for a walk, so let's go. We're going outside. So we're going to this door, which is here. Oh, nice. Just put it on here, and boom. Let's just not go so far because I'm a kid. So let's not go that far. Okay? Let's hold on here. We're going to explore outside for today. And this is where I am in. Is it beautiful? I know, you're trying to say it's beautiful. This is the next house, which is next to our castle. You can step on these rocks if you want, but just be a little bit careful. Like that. And here. Whoa. Let's go to the grass. Wow. It's so much mushy. Now let's go back up, and back up. There's the night, and that's more like the way down. I'm too scared to go inside it. That's lazy. Hello. This is so cool. Whoa. There's chairs here. And I can see there's a lot of houses over there. Can you? That's a road. And look at this floor. It's nice, isn't it? Wow, it's gorgeous, isn't it? I like it. And this is me. Let's go downstairs. Wow, this is cool and gorgeous. Oh my god, I can see a cave over there. That's really far, and we have to go. I think it's gonna be a really long walk when we meet snakes. I hate snakes, so no. So let's go back up. Hello. Whoa. Let's go up. Wow. And there is. Let's go down here. There's the sun. We're going back inside. I wonder, is that I can play a game for you? It's probably a really good game because you can listen while you're playing it. And here we're going to go back inside. Okay. Introduce my parents. Mommy, say hello.
Hello. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
So what did you do outside?
Is that we really like to show the next castle, and we saw some grass, a lot of grass, like 1,000 or trillion of grass, like much more. Now, hope you enjoyed this video. Before you go, please remember to like, subscribe, give us a comment, and hit the bell, and share this video. And see you in the next video. Bye!
boy.